Leftover pulp that I use for my oat milk. Super easy. 3 cups, third of a cup. Use my eyes to measure. You can pour it in. I like to use coconut oil because this is already melted. Again, saving myself a step, which is why I'm using maple syrup. I'm going to use just a little bit less. This up here, you want to make sure everything is nicely coated. And just a little bit of salt. I'm using roasted sunflower seeds. I can already start to smell it. It smells so good. So what do you guys use this for? If you want an absolute favorite meal, I'm just using about a quarter cup. Here goes the dirty hands. The stickiness. I don't really have to break it. If you cook it too long, you do have to break it. And like I said, I do recommend you letting this cool all the way so that it's more on the crunchy side. Right now it's a little bit moist, but let's take a bite. This is so delicious. And make yourself your own homemade granola to save you money, save you time, and add deliciousness to your life.